So in this video, I want to take a look at YouTube as a social media platform. I want to point out some basic things that you need to know about YouTube to successfully set up a channel. Technology for creative makers and small business. So the name is a little bit more specific, and I recommend that. Here's another example. Sunny Lenarduzzi is a YouTube instructor that talks about social media. She is an expert on YouTube and also talks about Instagram and sort of other aspects of social media. And then a fourth example is Think Media. So these guys, weekly tips and tools for building your influence online. The name of the channel, in this case, is in the channel artwork here. Sunny has done the same thing. This is her tagline, be your own boss. And she also puts when she has new episodes every Tuesday and Thursday. So this is recommended. So your channel name in the channel artwork is ideal. I did this here, Technology for Creative Makers and Small Business. So you have your channel name, you have your profile image, and you have your channel banner. And these are the first three things that people see. I'll go here in this example. It is recommended for the profile image that you have your face, as opposed to, in this example, an icon of a bird. People identify with a human face, so it's just stronger. Sunny has done that, and in Think Media, Sean has done that. He's also put the name of his company at the bottom, Think Media, the channel name. So Think Media, Think Media, Think Media. So these are the first three assets that you want to think through carefully. The next thing is going to be, in terms of what the public sees, are thumbnails. So in the Think Media example, there's a lot of variation, but they're all very simple and clean. The main concept of the video and a hand holding a camera. So it's very easy to read at a glance. Tips for going live. So here's the thing, if you're going to have text, keep it minimal and make it easy to read. And here's a person's face, here's one of the Think Media people in their work environment, and she has a happy or surprised or easy to read expression. Here there is no person, but it's very simple, add text, and this is the icon for iMovie. So if you're familiar with iMovie, then that's going to resonate for you. Here's a fourth example that I think is good. Again, very clear text. They put the date, because music for YouTube changes, and then the YouTube icon and headphones. So the choice of graphic elements is very intentional. I recommend looking at how this channel handles it, because there is some variety here, but each one is really strategic. Stand his face out. That stands out. No, yes. These are graphical. You need to be able to convey what the video is about and what the value the user will get in a glance. Sean does a good job here. Let's take a look at Sunny. Again, her use of text, it's not a lot of words. Brand secrets, 250K months. She really, again, understands the power of having this be graphical, highly visible, and easy to read. Here's a good one. The image is divided into 4 sections: before, after, 0 subs, 1,000 subs. So just in a glance, and she's at the center of it. So that to me is an example of good channel art. Let's look at my example, Technology for Creative Makers and Small Business. Each series has its own look. These 6 videos have to do with making a website. These 4 have to do with creating a form. This one has to do with Photoshop. You can see that the positioning of the text doesn't change, the font doesn't change, that there's one large graphic image. I try to keep it consistent. So in the Chant Magic example, I've started to standardize, and there's very basic text on the left and then some kind of image. In this video, I talked about the channel art at the top, the banner, the profile image, the channel name, and the thumbnail. So these are some of the basic visuals involved in a YouTube channel. In the next video, I will look deeper into the kinds of settings you need to consider when you upload your video.